Welcome to part 2. Right, what have I got? I've got a pinch there, there's a pinch there, so I've got what looks like 2 high spots, or he might pull out down there actually, and there's a dent there, definitely a dent there, little one, he's being a pain. One there, still trying to get this nightmare out. I think what I should have done in the first place was start from the outside and work my way in. I think that's what I should have done. So instead of starting in the centre like I did, oh, shut up. Instead of starting in the centre like I did in the first place and created 2, then 3, then 4, you know, and then 5, blah blah. I should have come from the outside and worked my way in. So I ended up with 1 in the centre, and then just pop. That's what I think I should have done. Lesson learnt. Down here, that's all lovely. That's all gone. Look at that. That's all gone right there. Those dents that were there disappeared. Yeah. I've still got 1 little one there and a couple there. I think there's a crease, little crease there. There's definitely, yeah, there he is. I see him. So that there is a high point. There's a little dent there. Maybe. We'll see what I do with those. They're so low that it's like negligible. The same with my door down here. There's a tiny one still here, and then on the crease there's a tiny one still there, which is causing this high point across here. There's some stretch. I think I'm still in a little bit there as well. Yeah, there's a ridge there, definitely a ridge there. Probably because of this bit, because there's a dip right on that crease. Tiny little dip. That's a push out from the other side, I think. Same with that. Maybe that one as well. But there's no point in me pulling those anymore. Oh, that's interesting. I wonder if that's the natural curve of the door. It looks like it. It just don't feel quite right. There's a tiny ridge there. Has that been hit? Yes, it has. That's been hit. Sorry, my bad with the camera work. There's a little, that's been hit right there. There's a little dimple right there. Yeah. See what that looks like later. Anyway, and then I'll be going on to repairing this, that might polish out a little bit more actually. This down here and all of this along here is the repair for later. If the weather holds up, I could do with it being a bit warmer, to be honest. But let's get going on these dents and dings and try and get this lot out. That's my main focus. Yep, I might be better off going from the inside of the wing. Ow, 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 fingers, ow, ow. Yeah, might have to unbolt him. There's a screw down there, screw down there, screws in here. These screws will pop, oh no, they're pop rivets. Oh no, is that a pop rivet? I can't quite see. I'm out of the way here. It don't feel good. Oh no, they're hex bolts. Is that part of... Yeah. So, undo some of these. Bend this back a bit. There might be some up here, actually. Nope, can't feel any. Oh well. Okay, I'll have a look later. Next. Where are we at? There's been some high points around here which I've been knocking down. There's still one here, and it's helped take out some of these. It's got rid of one down here. I'm still trying to pull that one. I think I've got a bit of a high point there, so there's a few bits and pieces going on around this one, but this one's improved a lot. Look, it's only what, 2 pulls. I've got, where's he gone? Yeah, that area, I need to pull that one there. Yep, that one's got to come out. Then these will ease up even more. So I can't leave that one in. That one's next. That's my next pull. I think that one as well. Now, this bit down here, I've done some fine tuning. Round here, there was a high point, and I took the high point out. It revealed a dip over here and here, and I've been chasing this high point across. He's right there at the moment. Don't know if you can see that shadow. See how that shadow sort of bends around him? That shadow. Oh, I don't know where I'm looking. Oh well, never mind. He's there. There's a tiny dip there, and he curves around here. So I've got to tack that. Yeah, he's right there. That dip. So I've got to tack these high points with my hammer and dongy bit. This one is almost out. Look at that. He's almost gone. Still a tiny dip over here and a bit of a high point there. Very, very slight. So knock him out. I'll probably be able to do it with my finger, to be honest. That'll help pull and stretch this one out and that one. But down here is looking good. I'm going to give that one final pull. That's like, look at that, look. Isn't that nice? There's a bit of a tiny bit of a high point there. See him? See that sort of star? Yeah, high point right there. Dip. So that, hit that down, pull that up. Looking a lot better. I'm really impressed with this though. This is coming up absolutely wicked in comparison to what it was the other day. None of those dirty, great, big, massive woo, 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 all across. Right, what do you reckon? How do you reckon I've done? Do you think I've totally bodged it or what? I'm not finished, nowhere near finished, but there's that bit of the wing. I've got a few around here, a couple to play with up here, a couple of high points to knock back, because I could probably use these high points to get rid of all these actually, rather than trying to pull them any further, because that's the last one I've just tried to pull, was that one right there. Now he's not very deep, but I can feel him and he's on this crease. Got a little one right there as well, but these are coming out. Now what about the one at the top of the arch that's creased? Bosh, how's that? Is that an improvement or what? I am so chuffed with that. I cannot believe I've done that. In comparison to what it was and how I made it and what I turned it into, and now I've progressed into this, I'm just blown away by it. Totally blown away by it. Look at that, eh? Right, what it is I've done a combination of pulling the dents and then knocking high points down, like that one. Another one there. One right here. Oh, there's a few around here. But yeah, knocking these high points out and pulling has led me to this, and I've almost got rid of that crease and, well, demolished the entire dent basically. Wow. It's the time and the patience to sit here and do it. That's all it is. Bit by bit, pull after pull, time and patience. Unbelievable. And I haven't even started painting yet. And basically this is like less work that I have to do with paint, really, if you get my drift. Filler and all that, that's pretty high. That's got to go down. Yeah, that's pretty high all around there. So there's a lot of tension there, which can come out, which will help release all this. It's amazing when you're actually tapping away at something and you can see, like, say like these curves down here, you can see those as you're tapping away, and you see them just like get smaller and smaller and smaller. You see the panel vibrate and all the stress and the tension comes out, and this literally just goes wink, 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 pop straight out, and it's incredible. Even sometimes when I'm tapping along what I call a vein, say like this one here, he's a bit curved. If I was tapping along him, I can actually feel where I'm going with the tapping. I can follow it without actually seeing it, and once I reach a certain point, I can feel when it's done. The end of the ding, 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 that has got a flat, almost a flat end, and I'm just gently tapping away. It's amazing how I'm feeling, what I'm feeling through that. It's incredible. I never expected that. I never expected that I could actually produce this. Never imagined I'd be able to do that. And no, it's not finished, but I'm absolutely well chuffed. Big improvement. Well, here endeth the lesson. What a day. I'm going to sign off and do something less boring instead. Bye.